Hi there, my digital nomads. Are you tired of the same old productivity tips that just don't seem to work for you? Well, in this video, I'm going to share some unique productivity hacks that have truly transformed my workflow. The best part, these hacks are tailored for both the mundane and intricate tasks that we all face. So if you're ready to boost your productivity in a way that actually works, keep watching. I'm diving into four powerful productivity tools and techniques that have changed the game for me. Whether you're struggling with boring tasks or need to tackle complex projects, these hacks will help you get more done with less stress. Let's jump right in. Number one, a modified version of the Pomodoro Technique. The traditional Pomodoro Technique didn't quite cut it for me. The 25-minute work sessions were too long for repetitive tasks and too short for more involved projects. So I created a modified version. I use a Pomodoro timer with different session lengths, 5, 15, 25, and 45 minutes. For my mind-numbing task, I start with a 15-minute session, then roll the timer to determine my break length. This gamified approach adds an element of surprise and keeps me motivated. Focusmate app. If you're looking for accountability, the Focusmate app is a game changer. It pairs you with someone online for a scheduled work session. You both share your goals, work with the camera on, and report back on your progress. This method leverages body doubling and accountability to boost productivity. Just be aware of the need for a strong internet connection and potential noise issues. Number three, creating micro habits. Instead of setting daunting goals, focus on building micro habits. Break down tasks into small, manageable actions that you can consistently perform. For example, start with 5 push-ups a day or read one page of a book. These small habits build a strong foundation and make it easier to increase your effort over time without burning out. Yoga Nidra. This is a form of restorative mental state where you remain alert. It addresses a common issue many of us face with productivity advice, which often emphasizes the need for good sleep. However, focusing too much on sleep can lead to stress and more sleepless nights, creating a vicious cycle. Yoga Nidra offers an alternative. I discovered Yoga Nidra, which is a type of mental rest or yoga sleep. There are various protocols and scripts available that you can find and use. Yoga Nidra is designed to help you rest while staying alert. From my experience, about 7 out of 10 times I would just fall asleep after following the script and practicing the breathing exercises. On occasion, when I didn't fall asleep, I still felt well rested, as if I had taken a light nap. Before discovering Yoga Nidra, I tried numerous remedies like different teas, including valerian root and chamomile, and adjusting my sleep schedule. None provided a long-term solution. Yoga Nidra, however, is intended to offer a restorative mental state that balances being alert and asleep, essentially resetting your nervous system. Even though it might sound unconventional, there is scientific backing for Yoga Nidra, and I encourage you to do your own research and learn more about it. This method has proven effective because it either leads to sleep, which is beneficial, or it brings you to a relaxed, alert state that leaves you feeling refreshed. Either outcome is a win, making it a sustainable option. That's why I highly recommend trying Yoga Nidra as a productivity hack. I hope these productivity hacks help you as much as they have helped me. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and making it a part of your routine. See you in the next video.